napaka-arte ni Lloyd. Kala mo jowa niya. Yan.
Magpapabili ka ng pagkain mo?
Hindi po, kumain na po ako.
Really?
Yeah, I do.
You want coffee? I know you want coffee. Yeah, I can buy you coffee. Go. Just straight ahead po. Then go stop to PBB house po. I'll say a word there.
Saan marahin ni Lloyd mo?
I think
Lloyd!
you have to stay here in this car. Sige po, straight ahead po.
Sabi ni wait lang Lloyd, pwede?
Then, kuya, you see that guy who's wearing a white shirt? You have to stop there. Yeah.
Left side parking?
Yeah.
Yes po. I'm here na sa aking dating bahay.
But I think you're going down right now. Or you want me to buy you coffee first
Yeah.
before you go there?
No.
What do you want? Go
Buy
there
me
first?
coffee first. Yeah.
Picture ma'am.
Yes po, sure po.
Yan, nakambal ko.
Oh.
Babae?
Lahat
I
Anak!
thought you have a brother kambal.
No.
Sorry, I thought you had that one. Sorry.
Sama ka na.
Oo nga, sama ka na.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm shy. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Ako ba na kayo? Di pa.
Lloyd,
Maybe
buy
the
me
one,
coffee.
Kuya, you should wait me here po.
Okay.
Dyan lang po yung Starbucks. I can buy her coffee lang po first. What do you want me to do? Bring all your things na?
Alam.
Wala lang sa picture.
Okay lang po, kuya.
How about you, kuya? Want coffee?
Coffee or me? Coffee or Coffee or me?
Kuya, wait for me Don't look at me. Ayaw pala sa face.
Tada! Good morning! Good morning!
Morning.
Good morning! Good morning! Good morning!
Good morning, Fiangke.
Good morning!
Parang hindi pagod
Itutour ko kayo. I miss this house.
Namiss mo ba? Namiss mo?
Hello, mami, namiss ko yung bahay. Yo, this is a storage room.
Bro, you're so early.
Why?
You're the first one.
Oh, it's okay. It's alright. And here is the task room, everybody.
Stop that. You know that it's confidential.
Oh, Kuya, I miss you na! Ibalik mo na ako dito sa bahay mo. Pagod na ako sa outside world. Ah! Kuya, pakibalik na po ako sa bahay niyo. Pagod na po ako sa outside world. Please, ibalik niyo na ako. Please lang.
Where are you
Pagod na ako.
Where are you going to stay?
Dito na. Oh! You look.
No. I just closed it.
Di ba? Bek.
I don't know how. I just closed it.
Oh my God, I miss my house.
Hello?
Kuya! Dito na lang ako, please!
Girl, bawal mag-live. Nakita ka agad ni Ate Kat.
Ah!
Kuya, buksan mo ko.
Wala pa sila? Wala pa sila, May?
Palibasa, malapit na ako nito
Malayo-layo pa ako, Ma.
Ay, hindi ka ba naka-check-in sa hotel?
Hindi. Mandaluyong pa ako, May.
Hello po, good morning.
Good morning. Bawal daw mag-live. Sorry. Sorry. Didn't know.
Sorry.
Haha.
Yo, what do you want?
I want white mocha nga. I white mocha frap. Less sweet. Mga 50% lang sweetness.
Yan, nanay. We don't have any cash.
Oh, damn. Guys, out na ako. Kakausapin ko pa si Kuya at si Madam. Gusto ko ibalik na niya ako dito sa bahay. Kasi pagod na ako sa inyo lahat. Joke.